on the Sunday night, we stayed at one of the off-grid campsites, and there's a
Oh,
farm again, kind of just outside Llandovery. Um, this one, I think they have different ratings as to how kind of easily accessible they are by 4x4.
okay.
I think this was like a 2 out of 4, so we thought we'd try that before doing anything more extreme. Um,
Okay.
it was totally fine. There was a kind of a farm track. It was bumpy, it was narrow, but the truck coped with it very well. And we just ended up in this spot at the head of a valley, and all you could see was just wild Welsh valleys. Yeah, it was really good.